Now, you can reduce crop damage in your potato fields, saving you reductions at the processor, thanks to wider row spacing options on John Deere 8RX tractors. You can also reduce compaction, increase flotation, with more power to the ground, and better traction with the 8RX. But don't take our word for it.
Hi, my name is Tanner Funk. I am a fifth-generation farmer here in American Falls, Idaho. Me and my family, we run County Line Farms. I farm with my two brothers, my father and my mother, and I'm married with two kids, and they come out to the farm and they're involved in the operations. And here we farm potatoes, sugar beets, wheat, alfalfa, and corn. Right now we're sitting in the 8RX with a potato harvester on back, and this one is one of the first ones spaced to 144 inches. Where we're all able to have it at 144 inches, when we're digging potatoes, we're not skimming those potatoes on the outside of the hill as the harvester's coming through. Our potatoes, they all get graded through USDA, Lamb Weston, or McCain, and there is a bruise factor in there, and every time you nick a potato or run it over, you can get bruised.
And that's not all the 8RX can do.
Potatoes, sugar beets, and wheat, and this tractor can do it all. You can really honestly say this might be the most versatile tractor on the farm now, with the capability of being 144 inches. We can not only plant with it, cultivate, but now we can throw it on a harvester. It's worked flawlessly. I mean, better than expected, honestly. You know, at first we were like, well, maybe we'll put it on a side digger and just try it and whatnot and use our RTs, but as soon as we hooked it up, you know, we've been digging with it since day one and it hasn't skipped a beat. Next spring we are going to use it on a 12-row potato planter, and I think it's going to be phenomenal.
Even with the wider tracks, the 8RX can handle the turns while giving you a smooth, comfortable ride.
This doesn't have any divots. It turns nice and sharp for how wide it is, and that's one thing that really stood out to me as well as how well this machine turned around at the end of the field. It's very comfortable. It rides great. You don't have that travel if you're going up over a rock ridge and bouncing. This thing is smooth all the way through the field from, you know, one end to another.
You'll get all this, and John Deere integrated technologies make the 8RX even better. Reduce variance on curves and turns, and place your potato rows exactly where you want them with active implement guidance. Automate unloading on the go with Machine Sync. Allow your dealer to help you remotely and proactively service your machine with John Deere Connected Support. Keep track of your data with potato yield documentation, John Deere Operations Center, and Operations Center Mobile. To learn more about how the 8RX and John Deere technologies can help your potato operation, ask your John Deere dealer about wide row spacing kits for the 8RX.